Hello, this is Frances from Good Team, and I'm going to show you how to use the topics research tool in HubSpot. Why would you use this tool in HubSpot? If you have the subscription that allows it and you just want to see, you've got a list of keywords and you want to see what the search volume is versus how difficult it is to rank, this is a great and easy way to do that. If you're looking for more robust research tools, we use SEMrush, which is just SEMRUSH.com. It's a great tool for some of the more granular information. But the way I got here is to go to marketing, website, and SEO. And then I clicked topics here. So if you click add topic, you'll be able to search. So let's say I wanted to rank for marketing. You can see that 90,000 people search for this a month. And the difficulty for ranking on page 1 is going to be 100. They do this on a scale from 1 to 100. So 100 means essentially it is the most difficult to rank for. And 90,000, that's really high for search volume. So in a perfect world, you'd find something that has really high search volume and it's not very difficult to rank for. And it describes something that what service, industry, content that you could write about with your business. So an easy way to kind of get an idea is if you did your business name. So Good Team, for example, has 320 monthly searches, and it's kind of medium difficulty on ranking. So if you wanted to expand that a little bit and start to organize some of your content, you can create a topic cluster. So if you were to click this and then add it to a topic cluster, you can then start to organize your content to say, okay, all these pieces are working for the Good Team keyword or the marketing keyword. But if you've got a list of keywords, you can just type them in here and see kind of, okay, well, let's rank from least difficult to most difficult, and we'll start ranking for Good Team, see what happens there. And then as we've got more time, maybe we'll start to create some content that goes for marketing. So that's how you use the topic research tool in HubSpot. Thanks.